This is 1-5. You are going to determine when an equation has no, one, or infinite solutions. Number 6, solve the equation. Determine whether the equation has one solution, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Let's look at A. Let's draw the line down the middle so we can separate the right-hand side from the right-hand side. All right. We have the variable on both sides, so we can subtract the variable from both sides. 3t minus 3t to the right and to the right, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. This cancels. This also cancels. What we have here, a 4 is on the left and a 12 is on the right. At this moment, we want to ask ourselves, when is 4 equals to 12? We will say what? It is never. Because it is never, we say now that this is no solution. Okay? Because this never happens. Okay? 4 is never equals to 12. That's why the answer is no solution. Let's look at B here. Let's draw the line down the middle here. Right? We see a parenthesis, so let's distribute and see what happens. Okay, let's distribute here. All right. So we have 6 times 2y, that becomes a 12y. 6 times 1 just becomes a 6. Left-hand side is a 12y plus 6. Bring down the equal sign. Well, we see the variables on both sides, so let's subtract 12y to both sides. This cancels, this cancels. This leaves you with a 6 equals to 6. When is 6 equals to 6? Well, that is always, because it is always true. 6 is always equal to 6. We will say that this has infinitely many solutions because 6 is always equal to 6. All right, now let's take a look at C. Well, let's draw the line down the middle so we can separate the left from the right-hand side. Okay. All right, we see a parenthesis, so let's see if distributing can help us. So the 3 is going to be multiplied by the 3g, and the 3 is going to be multiplied by the 6. 3 times 3g, which is 9g. 3 times 6 is a plus 18. Bring down the equal sign. 2 is going to be multiplied to the 6g, and the 2 is going to be multiplied to the 9. 2 times 6g, it is 12g. 2 times 9 is going to be 18. Okay. I noticed that there is a, let's see, I made a mistake. I want this, so, we can subtract 9g to both sides, okay, because we're getting rid of the smaller variable. This cancels. This gets you an 18 equals to, what is this, 12 minus 9, which is 3g. Bring down the plus 18. Okay, to get rid of the plus 18, we want to subtract 18 to both sides. Don't freak out. What's 18 minus 18? This gets you a 0. This is still 3g. You're not done. How do you get rid of the 3 in front of the g? It's attached to a multiplication, so you want to divide. Okay, divide both sides by 3. 0 divided by 3 is still 0. On the right hand side, it is g. So g equals to 0. So this one still has what? One solution. It is equal to 0, but g is equal to 0. That is one solution. Okay? So A, we see that is a no solution because the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. Okay? B, 6 is always equal to 6. So that is infinitely many. And C, it's a letter equals a number. So G equals to 0, and that is considered to be a one solution.